YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Joneses and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. Hit that sub button, drop a like for me, and leave a comment, talk to me. I talk to a lot of my subs, and I just appreciate y'all. So we've been doing good lately. We got a couple pickups here and there. I got a bunch of stuff in store for y'all, like a bunch of stuff, and y'all are going to enjoy it. The channel's about to be getting a little lit. We're about to have some heat. I know last week I had some heat, and or last video I had some heat, and I know y'all probably enjoyed it. Y'all are doing crazy. Y'all got me up to 50 likes on that video, so we got another good one for y'all today. And real quick, the giveaway for the gift card and the t-shirt is still going on, so if you want to enter, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, take a screenshot of that, and then follow me on Instagram or Twitter and DM me a screenshot of you subscribe with post notifications on to me on Instagram or Twitter, and then leave a comment in the comment section saying done, so I know, and I'll answer that comment. I'll reply back to it. And same on Instagram, if you follow me and DM me, I'll reply back to it. But anyways, man, as y'all know, I always got heat. If you've been in my channel before, you know I stay with some heat. And this shoe, man, I didn't get this shoe. This is my homie's pair. It's his personal pair, and I'm kind of upset. I took an L on it, but he got it. He's like, yo, you got to check these out. You got to get them on the channel. So I'm like, bro, I bet, good books. So I went to pick them up, right? And I looked at him. He pulled them out the box, and I was just so hurt. Like, I was so upset when I saw them because I'm mad I didn't get them, but I'm gonna end up getting them myself real soon. But let's go ahead and pull them in. So first off, let's just talk about the box real quick. So I want y'all to look, this is my goat. This dude right here, this is my goat. I don't care what anyone says. Jordan may have the hardest shoes, but LeBron is my goat. I'm a big fan of LeBron. I give Jordan his respect. I do think Jordan is obviously one of the greatest players of all time. They both have an argument for who's the greatest of all time. Some people will say Jordan because of his 6 rings, and I say LeBron just because he's the greatest basketball player of all time, and a lot of NBA players and Hall of Famers will attest to that. But anyways, this shoe right here is just, first off, the box is dope. Like, I've always loved LeBron boxes. I love LeBron shoes, and he's just always got some sick colorways and some sick shoes. And these came out recently. I think it was like last weekend, and I tried to get them on sneakers. I couldn't get them. I took an L. I waited on, I think it was Finish Line also. Maybe, I don't know if they released on Finish Line. It might have just been sneakers, but I took an L and I was pissed. Like, I was super heated. But anyways, this colorway is just crazy. These are the LeBron 7 Media Days. So if you know LeBron, you know on Media Day, I think it was this past season, he wore the 2 different color LeBron 7s. One was purple, one was yellow. And they were just sick, and they decided to release them. Like, of course, I thought they were just a player exclusive, and apparently not, because they released them to the public, and a lot of people got them, some people didn't. And I'm one of those people who did not get them, but I got a review for y'all today. So let's go ahead, open up the box and get them out. Excuse me, I love the boxes that look like this. 1 second. V8 NFA. Real ones know everything tastes better out of a mason jar. Real ones know that. But this colorway, so we got the box. It's a pull-out box, which I like boxes like this more, honestly. I don't like having to take the top off or lift it up or anything like that. I just feel like this is more convenient. Let's get this first shoe out. Now, let me actually move this over here. Let's get this first shoe out and talk about it real quick. So here's the first shoe. So we've got this purple with the white freaking like not a midsole, it's like the toe and around to the back kind of part of the midsole. And it's just look at it. Like, first off, the LeBron 7, this was like, I feel like the 7s is where he started to take off with his shoes. Like, they were one of the best like generations, or how do I say it, the best like model of his shoe. This is one of the best. I think it's like, in my opinion, it's LeBron 10s and then LeBron 16s, then LeBron 9s, and then these. And this is, I feel like when he got to the 7s, that's where they really started to take off and go crazy with the designs. And this shoe, like, I just really like how it looks, and they're sick. The colorway is sick. So you see this purple shoe. So let's go over some of the stuff. So we got this purple upper with the fly wire, or it's not fly wire. It wasn't fly wire then. Excuse me. I don't know what it's called, but it's got these like gray white lines going across the upper. Then we got a white swoosh with a yellow outline, and then we got this white leather across the toe and around to the back with the white rubber midsole. Then we got the clear air bubble on the bottom with yellow speckles on it. And then we have the purple upper also. We got some yellow laces. The tongue is purple with yellow tongue lining, and then we got some purple lining also, and then a yellow heel lining right here, and a yellow heel tab. And on the inside we have another white logo, yellow Lebron logo right here with the white crown. And then right here we got a little like badge with LeBron's logo on it, and it's purple and it's got the yellow writing. But on the inside they look good. Like this, I'm mad, man. I really wanted this shoe because this shoe is sick. Like, it's really, this shoe itself alone, this one right here is just nasty. Like, I think y'all, let me get the other shoe out so y'all can see, because y'all, man, I'm telling you, this, if you didn't get these, I feel bad. And yes, I feel bad for myself. I'm heated I did not get these, but just look at this shit, man. These are so nasty. I'm pissed, man. Every time I have to sit here and look at them, like, I hike you don't even want to do this video because I don't want to have to sit here and look at them. They're so hard. So they're two different colors. So we got the purple and we got the yellow. They both got that same white toe, but see, like, these are details I didn't even notice when I was looking at them. So this one has purple laces in it, and everything is pretty much flipped. Like, yeah, everything's flipped. So even the bottoms. So look at the bottoms. The bottoms, it's purple on the outside. On the yellow shoe, it's purple on the outside, yellow on the inside. And then on the purple shoe, it's yellow on the outside, purple on the inside. I may have just flipped that up. I'm not sure. But a couple other details that say right here on the front, this shoe, the purple shoe, says 20. And then obviously this one says 3, 23. You know, LeBron is number 23. You see his logo with the 23. And also on the laces, they say LeBron, and then this one says James. And on the back, we got LJ in cursive. I don't know how well y'all can see that. I hope you can see it real good. But this is really disappointing me, man. I have to get these. I hope they don't shoot up in resale. They've been chilling a little bit. They're up higher than retail. And I got to get a pair quick, but let's go over the details of the yellow shoe now. So like I said, we got the yellow upper, we got the same white leather, and this leather is like really good quality. It's real soft and buttery, and it seems more durable. It feels like the leather that's on the Fire Red 5s, but it just seems more durable and like it prevents creases more. But yeah, we got that same white leather. We got the yellow upper with purple laces. We got the white swoosh, but this swoosh has the purple outline. And then on inside, we got another white swoosh. And then we got the purple LeBron logo right here, the L23. Then we got a yellow badge right here, or pin. Same thing as the other shoe. This one right here is purple. This one's yellow with purple writing. This one's purple with yellow writing. And then on the inside, the tongue, we got a purple tongue, purple heel lining, purple tongue lining. And then we got yellow lining on like the outside of the ankle. And these are just, it's a sick colorway, man. I'm extremely mad I did not get these, but I had to let y'all see because they're just nasty. But I will be getting a pair, and it's just, they sold out real quick, like very quick, and they're just a sick colorway. I know they're comfortable. Majority of his shoes are comfortable, and I'm gonna be real with y'all. I was gonna get these and hoop in them, like, I'm not even gonna lie. And I didn't even notice this. They got like these little metal like tabs right here on the on the ankle. So the laces go through there. They got this yellow tab right here on this shoe, and then purple on this shoe. But just look at, y'all cannot tell me if these shoes are not hard because they're so tough, man. And I'm mad because I wasn't sleeping. Like I knew they were hard. I tried to get them and I could not get them. So it's disappointing not to have them, but it's good to have them for the channel. I'm glad my boy looked out for me. Shout out to him. And I appreciate it because I wanted y'all to see these, and I know y'all are gonna love them. I love them, and I think they're tough. But that's all I got for today. We got one pair of shoes. I wanted to make sure I got this out, let y'all see them. And one more time, LeBron 7 Media Days. 2 different color shoes. One thing I love about a colorway is if you make them 2 different colors and they go together really well, that's what makes a good shoe. And see, I'm starting to notice more stuff. So the inside of the air bubble has purple on this one with the yellow speckles. And then on this one, it has yellow with purple speckles. So this is it's a dope shoe. It's not all over the place. It goes together perfectly to match the colorway of the Lakers, which is the team he plays for now. And man, this is making me miss basketball. It's making me miss NBA. It's making me get irritated because I don't have them, but these are sick. So that's all I got for y'all today. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Talk to your boy. I respond to all comments. If you don't believe me, go look at some of my previous videos, go through the comments, and you'll see me in there talking to everyone. But I hope y'all enjoyed it today. Once again, LeBron 7 Media Days. I appreciate you all. Y'all know I stay drip. It's your boy Joneses. Peace.
You by my side while we cruising the ride. Only question is what we gon' do for the night. Try not to fall for you, but fell by mistake like my shoes wasn't tied. Or was it on purpose? Don't question it, baby. Just know that you're worth it. Your ego, the face to your body is perfect. Oh.